gonna go wheeling. Oh, jeez. Should have gone a little slower on that. We're gonna go on a little trip in the 4Runner. But first, I gotta get my crippled ass down this driveway. Oh, it's a hot one, guys. Whew, shifter knob is hot. It's like 90, it was 99 degrees when I got off work. Oh, damn, that's hot. Very long hill. So I've been having troubles with the idle on this thing still, and I think I've narrowed it down to where it might be the dash part that's keeping the idle from coming all the way back. Yeah, I think it's the dash pot. I noticed that the boot is ripped on it. It might be getting stuck. I could be wrong, but I've replaced everything else and it still has a high idle, and it just looks like the throttle blade is just sticking a little bit too much. It's not coming all the way back. So I might adjust that all the way down to where it doesn't interfere with the throttle, because all that's supposed to do is keep the throttle from snapping back really hard, but it seems like it's getting stuck. Freaking dash pad just fell off. Guess I better Velcro that thing down. That back window rattling is gonna frickin' destroy me. There we go. Oh, there's a trail right there. I'm not gonna go off on any gnarly trails right now because I'm by myself. I'm just going for a little cruise after work. haven't been able... What the fuck was that? Oh my god, it's a bird. What the fuck? Sorry for my language, that's terrifying. That's terrifying. Is that a bird or a person? Oh no, it's a bird for sure. God, my god. Felt like I was in a horror movie for a second. Holy cow, I did not like that. I need to find a spot to turn around. I kind of want to go back. Not because of that noise, but just because there's another spot that I want to go to. Man, I really need to fix that idle. Oh my god, please don't send me off the cliff. That's the thing that... Oh my god, stop. Dude, I need to fix that idle before it kills me. Oh my god. I can barely get into gear. Come on! Whew. Alright, that's next on the list. Idle and adjust that clutch. Yeehaw. Those guys that were in that Mini Cooper, they're up here. I want to see what they're up to. I passed them going up. They were pretty cool. Here they are. What you guys shooting?
Yeah.
What you guys shooting?
I got a SCCY, CTX.
No, Taurus GX2.
Oh, right on.
Yeah,
Cool.
Our first firearm, so
Yeah,
we
just
came out
got
to
'em.
test them.
Nice,
Like
guys.
that
Right,
stuff, yeah.
right on. I was getting some drone footage. I got you guys on my drone. Is that cool?
Yeah.
When you guys were pulling up in your...
Dude, that's
Oh, hell
fucking
yeah.
sick.
Yeah.
You post it anywhere or anything?
Yeah, it's for my YouTube channel.
Hell yeah. What's it called?
It's called Gerby or Toyota Gerby.
Toyota Gerby.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Hell
Yeah.
yeah. We'll make sure to check it out. Send us subscribe.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
Of
that.
course, man. Yeah.
Are you guys from here?
No. Well, we're from Linwood.
Linwood? Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
from Everett.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from just in town.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah, I love it out
You
here.
come up here to shoot, or you just coming up?
I come up here to shoot, and I come up here to fly my drone and
Hell yeah.
explore and stuff like that, and try to film and stuff like
It's
that.
a perfect spot to fly a drone, dude. Get
Yeah.
Some, get some dope ass clips.
The thing is, this road, if you go all the way, there's a bridge that has been washed out.
Yep.
Yes,
He was
the
telling
big
me.
bridge.
And you
about
can
it.
That was
walk
where I
to-
was.
you
This
can
is my
walk-
second time here.
Yeah, you can walk to the edge of it.
That's sick.
I was gonna get some drone shots up there, but I don't have enough gas.
Yeah.
I know. I forgot to gas up,
Shit.
but yeah.
Have to be on the next one.
Cool. Sorry to bother you guys.
You're all good,
No
bro.
worries.
Just
Yeah.
hanging out.
I just wanted to say hi.
Of
So
course, man.
Yeah.
Love the conversation. And you said it's a Gerby Toyota?
Toyota Gerby.
Toyota Gerby.
What was your
We were
name?
just talking about
Dante.
the vehicle.
Dante. What was your name?
Josiah.
Josiah.
What about you?
My name is Gerber.
Oh, it's
Gerber.
Gerber.
fuck
Nice to
yeah.
meet
Yeah,
you.
but
Nice to meet you.
yeah, I go by Gerber or Gerby.
It's a dope ass name.
Thank you. I know. I used to say, I was like, yeah, Gerber, like the baby food, and then someone was like, why don't you say like the knife? And I was like,
True.
oh shit. I was like,
You're right. I like the fucking,
all right, yeah,
the fucking
Oh,
Slayer.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, if you guys can't find my channel, it's no big deal.
Hey, well,
That's not why I
We
stopped to
do.
talk to you.
No, yeah,
I
If
just-
we do end up
Thank you for
finding
letting
it,
us
we'll
know,
definitely
yeah.
send you a follow and a subscribe,
Yeah.
bro.
Well, thanks, man. I
yeah,
appreciate
check out
that.
some of the work, dude. We love
Yeah,
that
we,
shit.
we like outdoor stuff. We like going camping and all that.
Yeah, I mostly do like just like Toyota stuff. I just put the motor back in this thing, and so I've been kind of driving it around, trying to test it. My idle's kind of sticking high on it right now, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that.
Right. Like, fuck.
Yeah, so I just been kind of cruising around and trying to fix the things that I didn't
Right.
fix.
Right.
Yeah.
Trying to get what you miss, you know?
Yeah. Well, I'll let you guys get back to it.
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
man.
hell yeah, brother.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting
It was
you. man.
nice-
You have a good one.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you too.
Yes, sir. Hope to see you again up here sometime.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah,
Have a great
definitely.
one, man.
See you guys.
Yes, sir. God bless.
Thank you. Appreciate that. So nice, guys. Oh man, these roads are rough, dude. Man, right now I really wish I had somebody that could fly the drone while I'm driving. There's such good shots to this valley right here, but unfortunately my drone doesn't have like a follow thing, so it can't follow me, and I'm not gonna try to fly a drone and drive this road at the same time. not about to do that. Guys, if you know me at all, you'll know that, like, if you're a good friend of mine, you'll know that I have extreme bad social anxiety. So bad that sometimes, like, I have to stay home. I can't really go anywhere. And so with this channel, I'm trying to put myself out there and try to learn how to deal with this fear. And it's been hard and challenging, but I really like meeting people. I really like meeting you guys, but at the same time, it's freaking terrifying for me. And so I'm trying to put myself out there. A big part of me is being kind and respectful to people and offering help and love and kindness. It's a big thing that I go by. I had a lot of terrible people in my life growing up, and so I don't want to be like that. And I want to show everybody love, support, and kindness. That's a real big motto of mine. It sounds cliche. Oh, he's so sensitive. Whatever. I like nice people, and I like being nice to people. I try to communicate with everybody that communicates with me. I try to listen to them and understand them and actually let them know that, like, they're being heard, they're being seen. Like, when they want to tell me something, I care about what they're telling me. I want to know what's going on with them. So if you guys ever see me in person, like, feel free to say hi. I will probably be nervous and a little on edge, but I'd be more than happy to actually say hi and talk to you guys, even if I'm slightly dying on the inside. I have blue lights so I can see my feet. You guys have to remember that my legs are partially paralyzed, so this ain't no freaking easy trip for me. So I don't think I've showed you guys really the engine since I've can't do that left-handed. Since I put it back in. Yeah, I haven't really said too much about this thing since I got it back together and going. It was having some idle issues, and so it was running really rough, and then I actually discovered that it was a blown head gasket. And so I pulled the engine. I didn't pull the engine just to do the head gasket. That wasn't the original plan. Was to actually put the engine that I'm putting in Katie into the 4Runner. But once I had the engine out, I decided that I was just gonna go through this one and rebuild it and put it in. That way I still had Katie's engine to put in. So that's why I took the engine out. Some people were confused and thought that I took the engine out because it had a blown head gasket. I was gonna swap engines, and then once I had it out on the stand, I changed my mind. But I EGR deleted it. I sandblasted the valve cover, put a brand new sticker on it from 22 RE Performance. Like I always say, best company ever. I love that company. But holy cow, it's hot out, but it's starting to cool off. I'm gonna show you guys this cool river spot if you're cool with that. Sorry if the sound sucks. Don't have my microphone on me. I didn't really know what to film. I haven't had time to get out to the shop to work on my truck. I got out there the other day, but I didn't get enough done to make a video. And I can only get out there once a week on Sunday. And then sometimes when I get out there, I don't end up not getting anything done, and which is frustrating. I wanted to put out something just to let you guys know what's going on and more Toyota stuff. Oh no, a log! Oh, cool, I can go around it. The river's probably pretty loud, but it's peaceful. I actually normally like to come up here and cook. Oh, god damn, dude. I missed it, but I'm always tripping on sticks, bro. Oh, my leg is all twisted. Twisted sister, baby. God, I can't even get up. Oh, I hate my legs sometimes, dude. This is why I have anxiety. Because when I fall in public, it's freaking embarrassing. Oh, God. I'm gonna sit down. Guys, I fall all the time. It sucks. That's why I use a cane, I guess. I don't even know if I'm gonna put that in this video. Maybe I probably should. I don't know. I don't know, dude. Look at my shoes from dragging my foot. Let's get the hell out of here. There's a lot of new people here on this channel, and I really appreciate every single one of you a lot. At the moment, I think I'm at 949 subs, which isn't a lot, but I'm almost to 1,000, which has been a goal of mine, so that'll be cool for me. I would like to make a lot more videos of adventuring and building stuff. I just have to figure out how to do that because I work so much. But maybe one day I'll figure it out and I'll be able to do more cool stuff, meet more cool people, build more cool stuff. Did I already say that? I don't know. I'm about to have heat stroke, dude. It's hot. I should have this weekend off for once. Finally, I should have 2 days off in a row, which I never get. So hopefully I can actually work on Katie, and I need to clean her up. I need to clean out the bed. I need to clean up the engine bay, and I need to finish a couple things on the engine. There's a lot that truck needs. So hopefully I can get some more progress done on it this weekend and have a video out the following week for you guys on that truck. That would be great. That's my goal. Let's get the freaking heck out of here, dude. We're gonna go wheeling. Oh, jeez. I should have gone a little slower on that.